Good evening, Western Sky travelers. I'm your host, Alex Sinclair. Today is Saturday, August 31st, 2019, and we're right in the middle of Labor Day weekend. I'm currently standing on the banks of the Missouri River, and I'm accessing it via the town of Craig, Montana. Craig is located roughly in between Helena and Great Falls and right off of I-15. This site has a very large parking lot, so there's plenty of room to park multiple vehicles and trailers. There's a nice boat ramp, and there are ample opportunities to float or fish on the Missouri River far north and south of this put-in site. Craig, Montana is a very tiny town, but it has a couple of bars and restaurants, a number of fly shops, like right there it's called the Trout Shop, and then there's a fly shop. And I'm going to swing around here and give you a view of the parking lot. I just see one picnic table and two picnic tables and two barbecue grills that you can use to fry up your catch or bring food and have a barbecue. And there we go. I'm going to finish with that view, and that is it, Western Sky travelers, for the Missouri River as accessed from Craig, Montana. Hope you're having a great Labor Day weekend, and I will see you soon.